Friends, this is Srinivas. I am using Hero Electro C8 bicycle for last 2 weeks. I am getting lots of messages regarding this bicycle about its features. Since last 2 weeks, I got this bicycle. I thought to post a review and then hopefully it will be helpful for new people who will looking to start electric bicycle. So this is my new Hero Electro C8 bicycle. Before that, I will say why I chosen this electric bicycle. So obviously because of the health benefit that it's provide, as well as saving fuel. It is a great electric bicycle. I am having great fun from last 2 weeks, and also it is a very good eye catcher. Wherever I go, people keep on asking about this bicycle. Let me explain about its feature. Coming to this bicycle frame, it's totally aluminum frame with 100% rust free. Coming to this bicycle handle, head of this bicycle is Neko. It has a unique feature. It is get locked here, left side and right side. Usually normal bikes don't have this function. You can see these wires, there is no tension on these wires because of this function. The suspension of this bicycle is 60 mm travel. With lockout and lock-in function. Whenever you are riding on bumpy roads, you just open it and you can see the travel. And whenever you are traveling on smooth roads, you can lock it. The tires of this bicycle is Hero Electro brand. These are nylon tires. Size of this bicycle tire is 700 by 38C. The brakes of this bicycle is mechanical disc brakes for both front and rear end sides. So this provide good braking power. The pedals of this bicycle are from Hero Electro, and you can see a good grip, and they also have double reflected on it. You can see it has a BLDC 36 watt, 250 watts, 40 mm of motor. It has a rear hub motor which is powered by an lithium ion battery which is inbuilt in this frame, and it is a 250 watts. You can see a charging point here, and it takes approximately about 3 hours to charge this battery, and on a full charge it rides around 25 to 30 kilometers in throttle mode. It has an LED display here. You can turn on from here, so it turn up, it shows battery level from low to high. And it also had 3 riding modes: low mode, medium mode and high mode. Power we use at low mode, 50% battery power and 50% paddling effort, and in medium mode 70% battery power and 30% paddling effort, and in high mode 90% battery power and 10% of paddling effort is needed. And you can see another switch is here. Just press it on, you can see headlight turns on. And turns off by the same switch. If you hold the same switch, cruiser will be on for 6 km per hour. Now, coming to the best part of this bicycle is throttle mode. If we press this button, this normal bicycle turns into electric bike. You can see this throttle here. By using this throttle mode, we can travel speed of 30 km per hour on a full charge. This electro bicycle also comes under 7-speed ride delay. Coming to the height, any height rider can ride this bicycle. Okay. Coming to the bicycle price is 32,500. Dealer is given free accessories of mudguard, water bottle holder and lock. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.